Guyana has not attracted major foreign direct investments in recent times, and many have tied this to the current economic and political climate in this country. Recently, however, there have been lots of expressions of interest from investors. As recently as last week, some UK-based investors expressed willingness to invest in Guyana. The investors met with President Granger and Foreign Affairs Minister Greenidge.
Perhaps I should say the bulk of the investors were investors interested in the petroleum and gas sector.
Minister Greenidge explained that although no agreements were inked or anything concrete was done, the meeting with investors had been fruitful.
At a meeting with investors of this type, you don't hold a meeting expecting them to put $10 million on the table or $50 million on the table. What they come to the meeting to do is to find out, one, whether the framework that you have is one that can accommodate them. Two, if they have any complaints. Three, whether they have any suggestions as to how they might be attracted to investing in Guyana or enticed to investing.
Minister Greenidge said too that the investors shared with the Guyana delegation their experiences when they invested in Guyana previously and also made suggestions and recommendations.
But those that were about to undertake investment, for example, did indicate. You had Tullow Oil, for example, which is a British and Irish company, was there. It spoke to its involvement in Guyana, where it started, and when they expected to commence exploration, having completed their exploratory work on the shelf, and there were a significant number of others.
President Granger had reminded the investors that Guyana is a safe place to invest and that the administration has been establishing the legislative and security framework to create a yet safer environment for business. Royden James, HGP Nightly News.